A little bit different of a video. Got a dent right here, trying to fix and poke out. Use the pry bar, can only get up to about halfway, so it's still low right here. I poked this one out, you can kind of see after I hit it with the file. The file showed me all the low spots. This thing is pretty flat now. I can't get my pry bar here, so I'm going to try a different technique. This is probably, well, this is too much heat, too much flame, but I'm going to use this. I don't have a little tiger torch, but a little butane flame torch is exactly what you need. I'm going to file this down and see where my low spot is. So you can see right here is your high spot. This is a low spot here and a low spot right there. I'm going to turn this down as far as I can. The idea with the heat, on the low spot, it'll cause it to expand, lifting it up. When you have the heat, it'll lift it up. We use the file board to file it flat, which will work harden it and keep its shape. So we'll start right in the middle, and we'll start working it. A little bit bigger, a little bit bigger. And then you immediately file it. Now you can see that low spot that was there, easily filed. We'll let that cool down a minute here before we touch it. But you can even just see, I brought that low spot up with the heat. Now that low spot is just a little bit right there and there, but that low spot's still here. So the nice thing about not using the big propane, but the little butane tiger torches, it's less heat and you can be a lot more precise. So you can actually start pulling out these dents and pick and file in that way. This works really good. This method works really good when you don't have access to the bottom side, like I don't have on the dent right here. Try this one. You can actually see right light. You can see that metal just slowly expand and get bigger. Okay, file it immediately. Look at that. That low spot is coming out even more.